Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss what is a mini split heat pump. Mini split heat pumps are energy-efficient heating and cooling solutions that offer zone temperature control for specific areas of your home. Even where traditional HVAC systems are impractical, they can significantly reduce energy usage and costs, making them an ideal year-round comfort solution for homeowners. What exactly is a mini split heat pump? A mini split heat pump consists of two main parts: an outdoor compressor unit and one or more indoor air handling units. The outdoor unit transfers heat via refrigerant to the indoor units, which come in various styles to match your requirements, and the connection between them involves refrigerant lines and electrical cables. How do a mini split heat pump work? These heat pumps function by transferring heat rather than generating it. In heating mode, the outdoor unit extracts heat from the outside air and moves it inside, where the indoor unit disperses warm air. Conversely, in cooling mode, they remove heat from indoor air and release it outside. This process's efficiency and ability to provide cooling make mini split heat pumps highly energy efficient. Benefits of a mini split heat pump: 1. Energy efficiency. They can reduce heating and cooling costs significantly compared to electric resistance heating and conventional AC systems. 2. Zone control. Each room's temperature can be independently controlled, optimizing comfort and energy savings. 3. Quiet operation. The indoor units operate quietly, creating minimal disturbance. 4. Flexibility. With various indoor unit styles and no need for ductwork, they can be installed almost anywhere. 5. Reliability. Mini split heat pumps have a long lifespan and require minimal maintenance. 6. Eco-friendly. They produce no pollutants or greenhouse gases, contributing to a cleaner environment. In conclusion, mini split heat pumps are efficient, versatile, and environmentally friendly, making them a valuable choice for residential and commercial spaces when properly sized and installed. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.